I'm passionate about Nepal because it is one of the poorest countries in the world where there's a huge need. The children's doctors there said, "We don't know why the children are dying in the hospital. Come and help." So that's why we started working there, and what we found was that the most important cause of serious illness in the hospital was pneumonia.
The project that I'm working on now with Jim and with Andy Pollard as well is VDM, Vaccine Data Management.
We provide the electronic forms and the databases that the vaccines group are using to collect and manage data for their clinical studies.
What I love most about my work is the ability to develop vaccines that can change people's lives, can actually save lives. Pneumonia is the most important cause of death in children worldwide. There are almost 1 million cases every year, so it is the most important public health problem for those under 5. Most babies in the world get 3 doses of vaccines at 6, 10 and 14 weeks of age. This is quite a lot to ask of pneumonia vaccines because they need their protection to last right up until 5 years of age. So what we're doing in this trial is looking at a different schedule which spaces out the doses of vaccine to try and give much more prolonged protection.
So what we were able to do was to give them full document management support for their clinical studies, both in this country and in Nepal, using a combination of Microsoft tools.
The people in Nepal themselves basically enter data into here.
One of the exciting things about this project is that the data can be entered during the day in Nepal and fed straight to the team here in Oxford.
So we're using SharePoint and InfoPath Microsoft software to help do this.
What we've learned about this whole experience has been that standard commodity off-the-shelf Microsoft tools that are used in every office can be actually used for real science as well.
What's exciting about working with Microsoft Research, and Simon in particular, is that they have expertise not only in computer science, but also in life sciences.
I travel to Nepal most years, and every time I go, the ward is always full of children with severe pneumonia, some of whom die whilst I'm there. And so I know that to be in a project where we can perhaps prevent more of these serious cases and deaths is a very exciting and important place to be.